Hello guys, so I have been asking myself this question, and I know you have also been asking yourself this question. Is it possible in Kenya to make over 30,000 Kenya shillings a month when you have a capital of less than 2,000 Kenya shillings? Is it possible? I can tell you and I can guarantee you it is possible. I want you to listen to this video. Join Tuvuke. It is possible if you join Tuvuke.com. Those on Facebook, we created this like 2 months ago, and right now the members tuko na over 800 members. And I'm telling you, every monetized account is earning over 30,000 Kenya shillings. Sometime even in a single day every single day we make more than 1,000. Kuna accounts zingine, there are some accounts that are making more than from 1,000 to 10,000 Kenya shillings in a single day. The answer is Tuvuke.com. Activities zenye tunafanya, blogging, making money through blogging. So my question is blogging more profitable than YouTube? It might be. Watch this video. Hello guys, welcome to my wonderful channel, Hustle with the Narams. Here we learn about making money online and how we can come out of financial poverty. I am your coach, the Narams, and welcome to Hustle with the Narams. So guys, this is 2023 and we need to make money more than we did last year. So I came up with an idea. It's called Tuvuke. Tuvuke is a platform where we meet as entrepreneurs who want to make money online. We come together, we do activities together, and at the end of the day, we get our money. So, which are some of the activities that we do? One of the activities that we do blogging. We are going to start with blogging, and I'll be making a series on how to blog and make money in Kenya. If you join Tuvuke platform, our members will help you earn, na wewe pia utawasaidia ku earn. But I will share later how that one works. So guys, my name is Dinarams and welcome to this wonderful platform inaitwa Tuvuke pamoja. Nataka sisi wote tuvuke pamoja tukue na pesa. Sawa, we have done a pilot test already. Those who follow on Facebook, tumekuwa tuki earn between 1,000 and 10k per day. Tumekuwa tuki earn 1,000 to 10k per day blogging, and God has been so good. We are paid by Google just as this YouTube inalipa. YouTube is also paid by AdSense, and blogging, if you blog, you are going to be paid by AdSense pia. I'll show you how we have been able to be successful on our pilot test, and I'm telling you it works. In our first month, we have done over 30,000 shillings in one account, meaning Google will pay you 30k at the end of the month. Here are just some of the statistics, some of the things that we were able to do. Blogging, we created a blog. After creating a blog, people were able to visit. Alafu kuna a lot of details there. Then at the end of the month, we were able to make this amount of money, as you can see. So yes, kuna pesa blogging, and we did this in Kenya, in a third world country. I'm just imagining if you are in the US or UK na tuko tunafanya blogging, how much tunge make pesa ngapi? We would be making millions because of the CPM rate. So guys, join Tuvuke. So these are the steps that you need to follow to join Tuvuke. Step 1, you need to visit our website www.tuvuke.com. You go there and you register. Once you register, utapata a link. Once you register, kuna charges. Once you register, you will be asked for 100 bob to register as a member. Okay, register, check your email. Kuna email itakuja automatically once you pay the 100 bob. And that link will contain a WhatsApp link. Join the WhatsApp link. Okay, join the WhatsApp link. Now you are going to be able to start the journey. Utafunzwa, kuna mafunzo itakuwa hapo. Now, what is the amount of money that tumekuwa tukiinvest kwa hii nini yote, because nothing comes for free. We only invested 1,580. Out of the 1,580, you are able to get a website, a free website. You are given a hosting for a whole year for free. Website na hosting, unaelewa, for free. Imagine nani atakutengenezea website for 1,580. So Tuvuke is a platform where tunasaidiana as a group. So once you are given your website, ukishalipa the 1,580, unapatiwa website yako. Ukipewa website yako, now you start blogging. You create at least 20 posts, 20 blog posts. And the more original they are, the better, because of AdSense for monetization. AdSense wanaangalia sana sana blogs zenye ziko the articles are original. So make sure your articles are original once you start blogging. I want you to make at least 20 blog posts. Ukishatengeneza 20, after making the 20 blog posts, now we can start on monetization. But that one, I have like 7 to 8 videos after this one. You need to watch them so that you can see step by step on how to make your website ikuwe monetize. So head on to www.tuvuke.com, www.tuvuke.com. Register, activate your account, and then join the WhatsApp link. Once you join the WhatsApp link, you are now a member. We have intakes. The first intake already ishamalizwa. So the first intake imeisha already. We are looking into the second intake, and every intake we take like 60 to 500 members only, so that once you are registered there, we make sure kwanza you have your own business. When you have your own business, which is blogging, now we can take another intake. We don't go to another intake before we first see those who registered, at least they have their own businesses. And I can assure you, let me give you this guarantee. I can assure you, within the very first day, once you are monetized, if you follow everything that I will teach you in Tuvuke, within the very first day, you're going to make a profit. I'm 100% sure you'll make your first 1,000 the very first day. We have members, we have 800 members right now, and I can tell you they know tuna make 1,000 bob per day for every monetized account. Imagine account yako ikiwa monetized, you'll be able to make 1,000 shillings per day. So go to tuvuke.com, www.tuvuke.com, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be teaching you about blogging. But these videos zitakuwa zimefungwa, they'll only be available for registered members. So welcome. It is time for us to vuke pamoja. 2023 should be a different year from the rest. Usikue ati after umesafa for 2022, 2023 still uko in the same financial mess ulikuwa nayo. It is time for us to make money blogging, and I guarantee you will make more than 30,000 shillings in a month if you join Tuvuke. See you on WhatsApp.